If you want your Steam games to update automatically on PC and be ready the moment a patch drops, this video is for you. Steam does have automatic updates built in, but by default it uses a smart scheduling system that tries to save bandwidth by updating some games later, often during quieter hours. That can be fine for most people, but if you want a specific game to always stay current, you'll want to change a few settings. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make Steam games auto-update on PC by setting a per-game priority and clearing the global blockers that can delay updates. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick PC and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Steam and go to your library. This is where all of your installed and owned games are listed. Now find the game you want to keep updated automatically and right-click on it. From the menu, select Properties. This opens the settings for that specific game, and this is where you can tell Steam that this title should be treated like a priority. Inside the Properties window, look to the left side and click the Updates tab. This section controls how Steam handles updates for that game. Under Automatic Updates, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and choose the bottom option, which says Immediately Download Updates. This is the key setting. Once you select it, Steam will stop waiting for its usual schedule and will try to download the update as soon as it becomes available. So if your goal is to jump into a game right after an update releases, this is the setting you want. It is especially useful for games you play often, competitive titles, or anything where you want the newest patch installed without delay. Keep in mind that Steam can still behave differently if there are broader download restrictions turned on, so the next step is just as important. Now let's clear the global settings that might still block updates. At the top left of Steam, click Steam, then go into Settings. In the Settings window, select the Downloads tab. This area controls Steam's overall download behavior across your whole account and library. Look for the option that says Only Auto-Update Games Between. If this box is checked, Steam will only update games during the time window you specify. That means even if you set a game to immediately download updates, Steam may still wait until that scheduled time. To avoid that, uncheck this box. Once it is off, Steam no longer has that time-based restriction holding updates back. Next, still in the download settings, find Allow Downloads during gameplay. Turn this setting on if you want Steam to keep downloading updates while you are actively playing another game. If this is turned off, Steam may pause downloads the moment you launch something else. Enabling it helps Steam keep working in the background so your games can stay updated with less interruption. At this point, you've handled both sides of the setup. You've told Steam which games should be updated immediately, and you've removed the main settings that could interfere with that behavior. That means your chosen games should be much more likely to stay up to date without you needing to manually check for patches. A quick tip before you go. If you only care about one or two important games, use the per game update setting on those titles first. That gives you more control than changing everything in your library. And if you ever notice Steam still waiting on updates, go back and double check the Downloads tab because the global schedule is usually the setting that causes the delay. So to recap, open your Steam library, right-click the game, go to Properties, open the Updates tab and set Automatic Updates to immediately download updates. Then go into Steam settings, open Downloads, uncheck Only Auto-Update Games Between, and turn on Allow Downloads during gameplay if you want background updating while playing. That's the full setup to make Steam games auto-update on PC. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful PC guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.